What's up everyone? My name is Smitty and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thanks again for pressing play and I hope you enjoyed this video. This video is going to be a quick little fun video. Living in my car, often get asked a lot of questions. Questions about this, questions about that. How do I do this? How do I do that? And a lot of times I get the same questions over and over again. So this video is going to be about one question in particular. And that question is, where do I use the bathroom? Do I use it over there? Do I use it over there? Do I need a toilet in my car? Like, do I need a portable bathroom? No, you don't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. Let's get to it. Whoa, did you see all the places that we went? Just kidding. As you can see, it's just your local places that you shop already. This is the best place to use the bathroom. Because think about this. If you're out going shopping or if you're out going on a road trip and you gotta use the bathroom, where do you go? Me too, same thing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's a lot of fun to make. Yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Bye.